naming more campus EASs. We're going to start with Saganda. Oh, that ain't it, guys. Sorry, my internet's being very slow today. Alright, now we're going to do Onana. Now, the one you're about to hear isn't it, but the one that is coming after. Alright, we're going for Didisland. I don't think this is it. That sound you just heard at the end was from a different campus that is on the list. Alright, now it's Clayland. Also, the video might be ruined because of my dumb ass heating. Dumb ass thoroughness. Anyway, here's Clayland. I'm actually going to increase the volume a little bit. Anyway, now we're on Ron. God damn my internet. Goodness. Yeah, it's that one. I swear I'm never going to that campus ever because of this, but this is its EAS. Guess it kind of makes sense because maybe Serbia might be in there. And this is Vinny. Oh, douche. Wait, sorry guys, it's saying what is EAS. Sorry, taking so. We're gonna see what this one is. There it is. Wait, no, that ain't it. Oh, there it is. Here's Amaya's EAS. Anyway, that was it. I swear this was for a campus, I just don't know which one. Don't worry, that's not my campus. By the way, this one that's about to play is actually one of the campuses, and believe it or not, it's Mojo. It's Mojo's EAS. Now, sadly, the flag ain't on here. That one sound you just heard was actually one of Irinka's old EASs. Anyway, goodbye.